Our warm greetings. We have an exciting tutorial lined up for you today, focusing on adjusting recognition rules for data capture from tables. elDoc provides advanced customization options for field retrieval from specific document types, including the ability to retrieve data from tables. To get started, simply head over to the Administration menu and locate the Recognition Rules tab. From there, click on the Add button and choose the document type from which you want to extract data. Once the source file is added, you can choose from various data extraction methods. Let's select Google Document AI Form Parser for this document type. To get data automatically mapped without the need for template setup, simply click on the Captivating Init Field button. The result is excellent, fields are mapped automatically. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to add and adjust additional fields. Click on the Add Field button to set up rules for capturing specific dataset. Provide user-friendly field name that accurately represents the extracted value from the document. Additionally, you can assign tags to the fields, which serve as labels for programmatic access to the retrieved values through the API. To capture data from tables, it is crucial to choose the table setting from the available drop-down menu if you want to extract data specifically from a table. Use purple area to define field value. Use green area to define field anchor. Use another green field to define end of the table. To activate it, simply click plus button, which will activate anchor under the table field. If your table extends onto another page, make sure to add the anchor text at the location where the table ends on that page. Don't forget to check the header box if the header of your table repeats on each page. Next, you can continue adding columns and other attributes of the fields you would like to capture from the table. This customization is completely driven by your unique automation requirements. It is also possible to enable and disable any columns as per your needs. To apply your adjustments, simply click on the Apply button. After making the necessary changes to the recognition rules, it's time to save your adjustments and activate the updated rules. Once that's done, let's see the results in action. Head over to the AI Document Processing tab and select the document you want to process. To review the results, navigate to the workflow status and click on it. This will redirect you to a page where you can find a list of documents that have been uploaded and processed by elDoc. Locate the most recent document you uploaded and click on it to access the results. Upon reviewing the settings you configured, you will see that the data capture from the table has been successfully set to meet your automation needs. Embark on your intelligent document processing journey today by taking advantage of a free elDoc trial.